Alright, so this is my Singer 69-8 bar tacker. I just recently acquired it from a very great man. His name is Mark. Extremely knowledgeable. Knows anything and everything you need to know about old Singer machines. And as you can tell, this machine is in just fantastic shape. It's pretty much 100% complete. It's only missing one little piece that I could think of. It's the little hood that goes in this general area. But yeah, 42 stitch bar tacker. Everything is there. Usually these machines, there's always something missing. This one even has the bottom thread cutter. It's hard to tell, but yeah, it's those you rarely see. But yeah, great machine. I just got it up and running. I don't have that much room in my living room, so I had to mount it on the same table as my Union Special 7400 cover stitch that I use for making belt loops. So yeah, thanks again, Mark. And here's just the video just to get it running and show what it does. So just got to adjust the tension a little bit, but I mean, as you can tell, it's doing its job. So yeah, Singer 69-8 bar tacker from around like the 40s, I believe. And before you ask, she's not for sale. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.